Service not available on TikTok. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. Let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on TikTok, tap on app info, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache. OK to confirm. Go back, scroll down and allow all permission one by one, like camera, contact, location, microphone, allow music, audio permission, nearby device allow. After allow all permission, then force stop. OK to confirm. Go back and go to Play Store. Search here TikTok. Update your TikTok app if it's available for updates. Then open your TikTok app. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.